Close your eyes and take a long, slow inhale through your nose and a gentle exhale through your mouth. Now allow yourself to find a comfortable position. Adjust your body so there is nothing else to do, nowhere else to be. This is your safe space. Imagine now that you are resting in a sacred cocoon, warm and protective. The air around you is gentle, like a loving embrace. You are completely safe here. From this place of comfort, imagine yourself beginning to drift, as though you are being guided on a soft breeze, carried gently until you arrive at the forest path. The path is serene, illuminated by warm golden light filtering through the trees. Each step you take feels effortless, grounding, soothing. The forest opens into a clearing, and in the center you see a smooth stone circle, glowing faintly with golden energy. This is your sanctuary, timeless, peaceful, made only for you. Step into the circle, feel the earth supporting you, steady and strong. This is where your release begins. Bring your attention gently inward now. Slowly scan through your body from the crown of your head down to your toes. Notice where you may be holding heaviness, tension, stagnant energy. It may be in your chest, in your stomach, in your throat, or somewhere else. There is no need to fix it, only to notice. Above you, just at the crown of your head, see a radiant sun of golden light. It shines with warmth, safety, and unconditional love. With each inhale, you draw this light into your body. With each hold, the light gathers where the heaviness leaves. With each exhale, the light dissolves the heaviness, releasing it into peace. Let us move through this together. Inhale golden light through the crown of your head. Hold, let it travel to the place of heaviness. Exhale, the light melts the heaviness away. Inhale golden light into the crown. Hold, condense it where the weight rests. Exhale, the light dissolves and clears it. Inhale golden light. Hold, saturating the heaviness. Exhale, it releases, softens, flows away. Inhale golden light. Hold, feeling the area of tension. Exhale, dissolving, releasing into space. Inhale, golden light. Hold, illuminating the heaviness with love. Exhale, letting it melt like mist in sunlight. Inhale, golden light. Hold, letting it gather in the heaviness. Exhale, clearing, softening, releasing. Inhale through the crown of your head. Hold. Condense the light in the place of discomfort. Exhale, the light dissolves it into freedom. Inhale. Hold. Exhale, letting wash away, living peace. Inhale, golden light. Hold, feeling what feels heavy. Exhale, releasing, clearing, dissolving. Last cycle, inhale. Hold, gather it where it is most needed. Exhale, dissolving fully, leaving lightness behind. If you need to continue this process, please do so. Now let the breath return to its natural rhythm. The golden light continues to pour through your crown, but now it spreads freely, filling every cell of your body. See yourself glowing from the inside out, your organs renewed, your heart radiant and open, your body spacious and free. The light expands beyond your body, forming a luminous aura around you, strong, clear, and expansive. Breathe into this golden field. You are safe. You are whole, you are light. Take a deep inhale of golden light. Hold. And exhale, anchoring this clarity and renewal into your being. Know that you can return here at any time to this forest clearing, this sanctuary, this golden cocoon of light. Begin gently returning awareness to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, maybe stretch softly, and when you are ready, open your eyes. Carry this light with you into your day or into the rest of your night.